Welcome to Pro News Flash. The dollar is feeling confident. Let's dive into the latest developments. The US dollar has been fluctuating within a 0.5% range since the end of last week, amid conflicting signals on the situation in the Middle East. On one hand, Iran has rejected mediators' proposal for a 45-day ceasefire with the US, which marked a clear escalation and triggered a rise in Brent prices and a strengthening of the greenback. On the other hand, traffic through the Strait of Hormuz is actually at its highest level since early March, as Tehran continues to strike bilateral agreements, allowing passage through the world's most critical oil artery. The gradual restoration of pre-war traffic through the Strait of Hormuz is key to stabilization. Brent prices already factor in a risk premium for potential U.S. strikes on Iran's energy infrastructure. Another delay of the ultimatum would cause Brent and the U.S. dollar to retreat. The conditions proposed by one side remain a red line for the other. So far, there has been no clear progress, and the parties are not genuinely moving closer to an agreement. The problem is, even if a truce is reached, the geopolitical risk does not simply disappear, keeping demand for the US dollar as a safe haven firmly in place. And what makes it worse is that rival central banks look set to make a policy mistake by raising interest rates. With oil and gas already squeezing household spending, tightening monetary policy on top of that would only double the economic pain. The fall in Euro-US dollar could have been more severe were it not for Donald Trump's eccentricity, which is undermining investor confidence in the US dollar and bonds. At the same time, the market is realizing that the US economy will also suffer. It is heading towards stagflation, as evidenced by the dynamics of leading indicators. In March, the ISM Services PMI fell, with the employment component dropping to its lowest level since 2023. Meanwhile, the input prices component reached its highest level since October 2022, recording its largest monthly increase in the last 14 years. Overall, stagflation is evident, which is weighing on the US dollar. Stay tuned to Pro News for further updates on events unfolding in the financial markets. Like, share, and subscribe.